Ah, oh boy, see me. Best dress. Look at my shoe. Just check out my shoe. Look at my dress. If I tell you how much I buy this cloth, look at me. Just look at me. I don't even understand why they never put me for best dress for Nollywood or for Nigeria. Every time, Hush Puppy. Every time, Cubana. Every time, G-Mike. You know what they do to make their money? Do you know what they do? Shebi now, they don't catch Hush Puppy. They don't catch him now. They go catch others. Just wait, especially that G-Mike. I won't make them catch him. Small thing, he will disappear. You know what, see him. Before you know, he don't come back. Money full everywhere. What is he doing? What are you doing for living? I'm sure that G-Mike is a ritualist. If he's not a ritualist, where does he get money? He go buy motor. Go and look at the car he's driving. Go and look at it. The expensive. How much? Where is he making it? Me, see me, I make my money legally. Now I hear say G-Mike no fit enter America. Why? Because you don't go do people wayo. Let me. I'm praying they will catch you very soon. Tell us how you make your money. Come and tell us. They will catch you very soon. Just look at me. I'll be going on a movie location now. Check out my shoe. If I tell you how much I buy them, I'm the best. I'm the best dressed. Make all these people make them come on, make them retire, make them leave us. We don't know how they make their money. G-Mike, do you know how he make his money? Cubana, you know how he make his money? They don't catch Hush Puppy now. They will catch G-Mike very soon. I beg, make I feel myself. Money is good. We are the real guys, not all these old cargo guys. When we say we don't know how they make their money. Look at me.